Hey traders, hope you're all having an awesome day. A quick update here on nat gas, gold, silver and crude oil, starting with natural gas. And I know that I've mentioned yesterday that I'll be scheduling a live stream today in the afternoon, but I got busy with something. That's why I couldn't do it today, but I'll try to do it tomorrow for sure. If I'm doing it, I'm going to schedule a stream later today and you're going to see the notification as well. So starting the analysis with nat gas. So nice one. What do we have right here? A nice push down out of nat gas. As mentioned in my yesterday's video that I was waiting for the price to reject from this area of value, look at the double tops, and then we can get a possible big pullback, and then we can get another condition. Now let's see what I've said in my last video so that we can understand conditions and entries. Just to give you a heads up, I will also look for the double top pattern within this yellow box. As you can see, this yellow box, if I get a green and a red engulfing candle within this box, in that case we can expect a good pullback. So keep an eye there as well. Worth watching the double top as well on all three platforms. So here on capital.com, exactly like Oanda, so double top will be from the body till the wicks. If we have a rejection here with a bearish engulfer, in that case I'll still expect a good pullback. That means we have a rejection and double top, and then I'll look for another long trade. That's why it's very important to see a complete break above this high. In that case we have a confirmation that price wants to keep on pushing higher. So look for that on all three platforms, on here as well on NEMEX. So from the body till the wick, something like this. Nice one. So what do we have right here? We had a nice double top pattern. We had a good pullback. Like I mentioned yesterday, most of the time we get a nice pullback from these zones before the price push up and continue to push up in a trend. In this case we got a nice pullback that was expected, and we also were waiting for the price to make a new high, which is right here with this candle. So we had a new high from all the other previous highs right here, and then we had a good pullback that was expected, and there was also an aggressive double bottom pattern with this red candle. If you are my student in MMTA course, then you know what sort of double bottom pattern it is. Now if you say that it's a very big double top, I keep on saying double bottom. If you say that it is a very big gap in the double top pattern, that is totally fine. If you take this as a double top, that is also fine. And if you are in my advanced section, you know we have some discretion in advanced section of the course, and that is what I call a discretionary style of trading, and that is what I would take. I would take this as an entry as well, and I would take this as an entry as well. So both are of valid conditions according to the rules. So with experience you can able to take your trading decision, but before that you need to have a right education to take your trading decisions. So for now we are a new high, followed by we are getting a nice bullish engulfing pattern. This is a swing low bullish engulfing pattern. Now this is also one of my entry condition, which I call a pullback entry. If this candle closed as a bullish engulfing candle, in that case we have a buy signal. I'm expecting a good 1 ATR target. 1 ATR is my initial target, and which is 5 right here. ATR is number right up there in the indicator. So if we have this close, then we can get a good push up around 5 points from here, and then I'll see accordingly if I want to take another trade or not. Again, once the candle is closed, we have a valid entry, and I use 1 ATR for my initial target, and I'll manage it. If you want to manage to the bigger target, you can manage it further 1 ATR, and I'll see further condition once we have a complete break above this high now, because we have a new high. So once we have another break above this high, I again look for another pullback, some exact condition like this, followed by bullish engulfer, and then we're going to take another long and keep on taking longs, something like this, until the price is pushing up in a trend. And if we have any sort of signal within this red box, which I've mentioned in my yesterday's video, which is 3.435, an area I'll be looking at. If we have a push up, let's say, and then we get a nice bearish engulfing condition, something like this, a bearish engulfing pattern. If I have that, then in that case, if I'm managing my trade, I'll exit my trade, and then I'll look for sell condition, a little scalp before the price will continue to push up in a trend, as we are in an uptrend. So that is why we are just looking for buy entries, but we're also going to look for sell conditions, a little scalp from this area of value. Those are enough to hit our target before the price wants to push up and continue to push up in a trend. I'm going to mention the next zones, which is above once we have complete break and close above this high, and possibly this zone as well. Here on capital.com, we do not have a valid double top pattern, which is totally fine. If there is no condition, you are not taking the trades, but according to your rules, if you have a pattern, if you see a pattern like this, you are good to go according to your own strategy. For me, it is not a valid pattern, but it was a valid pattern on Oanda. I've just shown you, and also on NEMEX platform, which I'm going to talk in a very short moment. But we have a new high right here, then we have a nice pullback, and then I look for our next condition, a new high, pullback, and keep on taking longs till I see a condition somewhere here, 3.749, from where if I see a sell condition, I'll go for a little scalp before a price can push higher. Now if I'm trading on this platform, I won't be taking this as an entry because it invalidates one of my rule, and I can't explain all the rules here in a single video, but we had a valid double top here. All I want to see a break above this high to look for another pullback entry and keep on taking longs. Had a nice double top pattern that has played out within this zone. We had a pullback, we're getting a bullish candle, and let's see how it goes. If it goes above this top, then I'll look for another pullback to keep on taking longs trade. That is what I'm looking for on this platform. Or I want to see a fall on 50 EMA, and then I want to see a good bullish engulfing condition, then I'll take my long trade. So that is what I'm looking at on this platform if we are trading here on NEMEX. Next one, we have gold. Gold is now pushing up, and as you can see, we had a push down to 50 EMA, and what do we have? Push down followed by bullish engulfing pattern right here. And if you hover over this candle, the ATR is coming up as 9. So $9 will be your targets, and if you see from here, you have a push up of $9. So that was your take profit hit, and that is how you take your trades, and that is how you look for the conditions, and with conditions you take your trade. And so we had a take profit hit as well in a row, one take profit hit here and one take profit hit here. I took this trade, but I did not take this trade as I was busy to look at the market, but we had a good condition, and I hope you have got that as well. So for now, what I'm expecting? For now, I'm just expecting and wait to see if the price makes a new high from here. Only then I'll look for my pullback entry for gold. So I'm not taking any trades for gold until I see a big and dramatic push up out of gold, but overall the gold is bullish. And if you look here on daily time frame, we are in the trend continuation zone bullish that can push the price higher as well. So that's what I'm looking at. It is overall bullish, and I'll be looking for buy entries once we have a complete break and close above this high. And the next zone to enter sell trades for gold, it is right here 2034, that goes up to 205283, from where I'll be looking to enter my sell trade with conditions like bearish engulfers or my double top entry condition. For now, I'm not looking for sell trades till the price hit the zone, or if we have a dramatic push down below 50 EMA, only then I'll start to look for my sell conditions. For now, I'm just looking for buy trades once I see a condition to enter my buy trades. Next one, we have silver. So silver has also formed a nice bullish engulfing pattern, and we had a little push up. For now, I'm not taking any trades for silver as well. For now, I'm just looking how the price action goes. If it goes above this high, only then I start to look for my buy trades. For now, I'm not trading silver. I can't see any good conditions for silver. Let's see, we are still in the trend continuation zone bullish, and I'm only going to take my sell trades if we are completely broken below 50 and 20 EMA, and we have a good momentum below 50 and 20 EMA. Only then I'll start to look for my sell trades. For now, I'm still looking if the price break above or below. We have still the price still ranging within this consolidation box, and we want to see a breakout above or breakout below to look for the condition. If the price break above, then we have a zone which is right up there in blue, from where I'll be looking to enter my sell trade with bearish engulfers or my double top entry condition. So keep an eye here. Once we have a breakout, only then I'll start to look for my next condition, not trading silver at this point. Nice one. We have price pushed down to the rejection box as mentioned yesterday, and as you can see, the price did push up, and I said that it can push up around, which is less than $1, and right here, if you see from close of this candle, we had the price push up more than $2, and that is enough to hit your target. For now, what I'm looking at next, I want to see a complete break and close above 50 EMA. If that happens, I start to look for my buy trades. If not, if the price hit 50 EMA and forms a bearish engulfing pattern, that will be my sell signal, and I'll take my sell conditions, sell trades, and 1 ATR will be my target. And if the price breaks and close below this low, in that case we have a continuation towards the downside and price will head lower. So that's what I'm looking at. Not taking any buy trades till the price break above, and sell trade if we have a bearish condition below 50 EMA. In that case, I'll look if the price break below that, then we have a continuation towards the downside. So for now, just looking for the condition for sell at 50 EMA. If we have that, we are good to go short. If not, then wait and see if the price break and close above 50 EMA or not. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.